Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where Windows apps grayed out in Start menu in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache and reopen it. The next one is to re-register the Microsoft Store. So we have a command for this. Copy it and search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit Enter. The last solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit Enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.